Mom, you're so beautiful when spring comes. But we're not there yet. Today it's March 28th. It's 14 degrees. We have sunshine. Spring is almost here, and I'm on my new CBR. I'm going to a new road today, and I would love if you guys came with me. Today is probably just going to be sort of a longer form vlog. Just talking, checking out this road. We're going to take it a bit easy. Anyway, guys, this bike is smooth as fuck. It's just a dream, to be honest. It's like, I don't know, it's so gentle somehow. It has such a nice amount of power, but it's like also very gentle. Guys, I want to say thanks a lot for all the comments on my last video. So I know the video said hard break-in. You know, it was kind of a hard break-in. I just wanted to get the bike and immediately just enjoy it for what it is, you know? Okay, so we're entering the road now that I was thinking about. Slow down, of course I will slow down. Thank you, thank you.
Horsey, look at my CBR.
Third gear. See a little dirt here. Dirt on the road. Let's slow down for the houses. Remember to be respectful. Take a ride here. Guys, we're gonna do this road again in, let's say, 6 weeks. It's gonna be all green, it's gonna be beautiful.
There are gonna be mermaids.
The thing about this bike is that it's very easy to ride. It's definitely much easier to ride fast than my 650, just because of the weight, the suspension, the handling, all of that stuff. It's just responsive, you know. I guess I didn't really understand that before, but that's the difference between a 650 and a real super sport. It's responsive. And even when you're going quite fast, getting it turned in is just easy. I have much more confidence on this bike than on my 650. But I do have to say though that the tires on the 650 are kind of worn down, and they're a bit the back tire is a bit squarish, so that makes it a bit difficult to do an honest comparison. Not too much dirt and gravel on this road. Now, of course, we're only using first gear and second gear a little bit. Maybe we can say hi to the horsey. They look suspicious of me. Which way is it now? I think it's this way. A little bit hard on second gear. 20 kilometers per hour, 20-30, going uphill like this. But it's not a problem. Just riding a slower speed road like this, also much easier than it would ever have been on my 650R. Quick shifter, auto blipper, works flawlessly, super smooth. Kind of clicks 2 times sometimes, especially like down from second to first gear, but I think it's normal. Brakes are good. Brakes make me feel confident. What a nice place though. Like many houses. Imagine owning this place, like apple tree, orchard, animals, big house, and not too far from the city either. This road is great. I love it. Please drive slowly. Absolutely, I will. So talking a bit about the YouTube channel. I mean, it's been so fun since I started it. I did quite a lot of videos, and already if I go back and look at the first videos, I really think that they're shit, which is a good sign. I think I'm sort of developing my style gradually. I still have a bit of a hard time deciding, you know, what What style do I want? What kind of videos do I want to make? I love that it's like, okay, 5k RPM, and it has different moods depending on what RPM you're at. Så jävla fin dag. Äntligen lite landsväg. Det var underbart. Det är plus 14 idag. Och jag är ute på min nya CBR. But anyway, this channel is probably going to be split between vlog videos, ride videos without any talking, videos that are focused a little bit more on the technical things about the motorcycle and that kind of stuff. And then also, I'm quite interested in just making videos that are more about the vibes, you know. So I guess I'm just gonna try to vary myself. Love you. Well, I am happy I got the sport kit. I know some people actually don't like this tire tape, rim tape, but I definitely do. And with the sport kit, you also get this little HRC cap here, and this thing. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so elegant. It's so balanced. I just wish it would stay this new looking forever, but of course that's not gonna happen. It already has some weird scratch here actually, and I don't know where that came from. I'm thinking maybe my shoes or something scratched it, I don't know. But since it is plastic, it should be possible to basically buff it out, you know. Man, I need new gloves. I want the Alpine Stars ones, but they were out of stock, so I'm just gonna wait for those.